Navigate to a classroom's materials page. Then tap the All Lessons filter to view all the published lessons of a classroom. Tap the required lesson card to view its details. Then tap Start Reading. Tap Previous or Next button to navigate between lesson pages. Tap the TOC icon to view your progress. You can also navigate to any lesson page from the TOC. Once you have read all the lesson pages, the lesson will be considered as completed. You can view any posts in which the lesson is tagged on the Discussions tab. You can also tap the Details tab to view the details of the lesson.